Hi, everyone. We are here to just share with you that we are doing a organic living thinking group study on the philosophy of freedom by Rudolf Steiner. I am Sally, and I am in California. I'm going to stop sharing this. And we have Fred here, who's in Kentucky, and young Willem, who's in California. And you want to tell them what we're doing really quick? Go ahead, Fred.
Sure. We're going to work with the second appendix to the philosophy of freedom. It's a short passage of 13 paragraphs. And we go through a particular reading process and working process that involves writing summaries of each of the paragraphs. That's homework that we do between meetings. We come together when we meet and we compare those summaries and we arrange them on a board in a graphic form so that after we've got them arranged and laid out, we can see that there's we have a visual image of the flow of thoughts that animates this writing as it moves through from one paragraph to another. It really enlivens and activates the writing for us in a way that our standard way of reading does not. And it is also a combination of the individual work we do between sessions and the wonderful work we do as a group when we come together. At the end of the sessions, we will also present the whole passage, all 13 paragraphs, to the group, either from memory or from notes, and in this way create a group meditation that we share. How about Jan Willem tell us a little bit more?
Thanks, Fred. Um, yeah, so it is really interesting to hear Steiner commenting over and over again how difficult it is to write about these things. And one particular thing is that if you're looking at the words themselves, we're looking at the things, we're looking at an kind of organic, no, inorganic, an inorganic substance in the ideas. But then if you, what Fred was alluding to, if you just really look at the style, the way it's being written, how all everything is connected with each other, we can see that there is an organic way of thinking in there. And this organic way of thinking means that it has life in itself. It can expand out of itself and come forward. So the ideas are not just thoughts as it is, but it is an active thinking, right? And the other word for philosophy of freedom is spiritual activity. And that is what we're after in this meeting. We want to give you the nuts and bolts of this whole thing. And I really hope to see you there. We go and do a short introduction, what's really going behind all these techniques and tricks. And then we can actually do the work what Fred was alluded to.
Yeah. And so you can join us on Anthroposophy.com. If you join, it's a small monthly fee, very minimal, under $10, and you can cancel anytime. And we will meet once a week for 5 weeks. We're starting at the end of May on Friday nights, 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern. And if you go into Anthroposophy.Social.com, once you join, you can find our course under the courses, and it's under Living Thinking Heart Cognition. And we hope to see you there. Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.